I've been holding this off for a while, but my roof lining is so bad that it's been hanging on the corners, coming out, spilling that kind of crap out of this area, hanging down lower and lower. Definitely needs to be fixed. I cracked this trying to fix it, and my seat's a bit wobbly. Need to screw this in because that shouldn't be moving. Broke the aerial. Damaged that from scraping it. This was damaged, but I had to replace it, not the best. There's a few scratches, bigger updates that I'm trying to show, or scratches here. Something happened on this side at some point that left a bit of a scrape, and then this, someone probably hit me at some point. These need to be proper fixed up, but this was the best I could do at the moment until I get special salt and replace the tires because they don't have much grip anymore. And that, all the scraped, damaged parts here. This is hanging out. The tires are even worse on this side. The rims were much worse. They had rust all over them and I got rimed up. But that's not all the update yet. Got 2 more of those rims that need to be put in. Cleaned both of these up too. Got to be put in as well. Then there's also a damaged part here. This won't even stay up. Hit me in the head a few times. Just all dirty and a bit broken here. I want to replace that. But that is the update for now of everything on the car that major needs to be fixed.